Hello everyone, my name is Tara and I'm an art instructor at Clap Studio. Thank you so much for purchasing our kit. If you haven't done so already, please feel free to do so at www.clapstudio.ca. Our kits come pre-measured, pre-designed, and it is designed to create as less mess as possible to make your whole project process a lot smoother and easier. So go ahead to www.clapstudio.ca to get your very own kit now. To make your DIY Ferris wheel, you're going to have the following pieces. 2 circle cutouts like so. Each of these cutouts come with 5 holes, 2 foam pieces like so, 4 long rectangular pieces that bend in 2 places, and each of them have 2 holes on the end, 8 foam square pieces, 4 short dowels, medium-sized dowel, a rectangular piece like so, a couple of short pipe cleaners. The only additional materials that you will need to bring for yourself are markers, scissors, and crayons. So for the first step of our Ferris wheel, we're going to go ahead and color our foam pieces. Now once your pieces have been colored, we're going to stick these pieces, these 2 pieces, to the large rectangle, and we're going to peel off the tape and we're going to stick it to the edge of the large rectangle like so. Now that the stand of our Ferris wheel is done, we're going to go ahead and take our circles. I've gone ahead and done a little rainbow color on mine, and what we're going to do is we're going to now attach it to the stand. And to attach it to the stand, we're going to use the larger dowel, the medium-sized dowel, and we're going to poke it through the holes in the center of our Ferris wheel. Put it through the holes of your stand like so. Let's put this aside for a second. So now we're going to make the carriages, or the little cabins that go in the Ferris wheel. So in order to make our cabin, you are going to need the following pieces. For one cabin, you're going to use one of the long rectangular pieces with the holes on 2 sides and 2 foam squares. So what we're going to do is we're going to peel off the tape, and we are then going to stick the foam squares, bend your piece like so, and stick your foam squares onto the sides of your long rectangular pieces, so it forms a little cabin. Once you're done sticking it all together, let's go ahead and color it. So here are all my done cabins. I went ahead and I attached the short pipe cleaners and I threaded them through the holes so that our little cabins can hang on the Ferris wheel. Now let's go ahead and assemble the final piece. With my small dowels, I've added a piece of glitter foam tape, so just to make it a little bit fancy. And what I'm going to do with these dowels is I'm going to pierce it through one hole like so, hang one of my cabins through, and continue pushing the dowel through the second circle behind. Let's go ahead and do this for all the other holes. And there you go. All of our cabins have been placed inside the Ferris wheel, and they are all working. This is awesome. So I added a little bit of glitter foam sticker to my handles at the back and in the front. It just gives it a more finished look. And there you have it, your DIY Ferris wheel. This is really such a simple kit, yet very, very effective. Feel free to add little people inside your little cabins, and you can play for hours and hours with this kit. If you haven't gotten your kit yet, feel free to go ahead to our website, www.clapstudio.ca, to get your very own DIY Ferris wheel kit now. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!